I wanted this to be professional, efficient, adult, cooperative, not a lot to ask. Alas, your Mr. Takagi did not see it that way, so he won't be joining us for the rest of his life. We can go anywhere you want us. You can walk out of here or be carried out. But have no illusions. We are in charge. So, decide now, each of you. And please remember, we have left nothing to chance.
Get them back! Mach mal!
Now I have a machine gun. Ho, ho, ho.
A security guard we missed?
Usually tied up policemen growing fat on a pension. No. This is something else. Was habe ich dir gesagt? Was habe ich dir gesagt? Ich will, dass es keiner sieht.
Haltet sie zurück. Ich sage es zum letzten Mal.
We have to do something, Hans.
Yes, we do. We have to tell Carl his brother is dead. Tell him to come down.
Carl, komm sofort runter.
Franco, you and Fritz, take the body upstairs and out of sight. I don't want the hostages to think too much.
Ich weiß nicht, wie ich es erklären soll, aber komm sofort, schnell.